Let me find them. Give it to me, baby. Gonna be too hard. Let's fill up all your holes. Give me ear. Thank you, goddamn eye socket. I was gonna go with a fucking eyeball and shoot it in my fucking eye so we can use your head every time we fucking. I look like a masculine.
I killed him so. Oh.
That's a whole lot of death committed suicide. Destroyed eyes with guns? The weapon? Yes, it is. I see you shooting. Who goes that? Nice! Use those corners.
It's fine when you use guns.
Pay attention to the road, Savvy! Yeah, it's hard. I'm going back! Oh. Grab a coke, exploded. Oh! You lucky fuck! You know that? I was lucky too. You may not finish third, but you have one lucky star.
Oh my god!
Bye. He's alive.
Yeah? Let's shoot.
Hello!
Hello.
Hi guys!
How you doing?
Not too bad, how are you?
I'm doing quite good. Yourself? How are you?
Oh,
Savage.
sorry.
He respawned before he died. Good time.
Oh,
Raining.
Are you horny today? Jim? Good eat yes.
I'm ready to have sex with everyone. Oh my
I'm
god,
recording.
sorry.
I'll be there in 5.
Oh, okay, yeah. Sorry.
But if you want, but if you want to have a sex talk, we can always talk about sex, you know.
Yeah, I was gonna talk about how I want to knock all the dudes off
Can I just rain an ad?
Did you? Oh my god.
Whoa.
You know, I am really hard right now.
On voice comes to rain hard on my face.
Oh. If I'm gonna come, if I'm gonna come on your face, I have to warn you, I will blow out one of your eyes. So clear. Because right now it's cannon in there. It's like just a
You know what, Roy?
big ass artillery.
It's okay. We're gonna have another one.
Oh yeah.
Whoa!
But I have to warn you though, sometimes it can be like a cluster bomb. So it can really fuck up both of your eyes.
That's deep, man.
Yeah. So if you're smart, you close one eye.
Oh, I'm crying with laughter. So you're telling me you've got cluster spunk?
Yeah.
That's how you know you're gonna have a baby.
Yeah.
Cluster spunk.
Kaboom.
I don't know
What the hell just happened inside me? Oh, I fucking explode your fucking shit up there, baby. Oh yeah. You don't have any eggs left now, bitch.
What just happened inside me? I'm making babies!
It's gotta be an explosive baby.
Oh, excellent.
Well, now I have heard and everything. I have talked about everything, even mortar, cluster bombs, sperm. That's epic.
What the fuck is with the weather?
What do we do with the weather now? It's rainy, sunny, snowing, you know.
Yeah, pretty much. It's changing like that here.